This is the fitness adjustable bench. The back adjusts to different levels, and it's got a curl pad and a leg extension. It's something that I would recommend for youth, as the user capacity is 260 pounds. I'm about 180 pounds, and here I am doing chest press with 250-pound dumbbells, and so that's about the capacity of the bench itself. Now the back part has several different levels. You can take it from decline to flat to incline, or just have it straight up for shoulder press. The headpiece is also adjustable, so it can go up in increments and lock in place. But keep in mind, this isn't something that you should be putting a lot of weight on, it's just something you can rest your head on. The curl pad is really small. It's not something that you can easily fit both of your arms on, but if what you want to do is one arm dumbbell curls, then it's probably more suitable. So it can adjust, it can tilt forward and backwards, or you can just remove it altogether, which is usually how I have it when I'm doing most exercises. Now the leg extension was a nice idea. You can lock it in place, or you can remove it altogether. And it comes with a bar clamp, not that the plates would ever slide off at this angle. So see, when I sit down, the plate is actually touching my legs, and there's not a whole lot of range of motion. But if you're okay with partial reps and lower weight, this should be fine. The leg extension can also be removed altogether. One cool feature is that the whole bench can be folded up and stored away if you need to make room. So that also brings me back to the setup process, which is pretty quick after unboxing, as the bench part itself was mostly already put together.